Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the screen zoom on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are uncomfortable with the size of the screen on your device, and then you can change it in the following way. First of all, please open the settings menu. And then here you can select display option. And then you can select screen zoom menu. And then here you can change the screen zoom by dragging this button. That's the tutorial on how to change the screen zoom on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.